Hi! Come watch!
Today, I will tell you the story of a son who abandoned his father and only understood the value of love after losing everything.
Look at this dirt. I have absolutely nothing left. I made a huge mistake. How did I get here? It's so freezing out here. I need to figure out a plan. I want to go back. I miss my home. Father, I want my share of the wealth. Give it to me right now.
Are you absolutely sure, my son? This estate is your true home.
I need to see the whole world. I can't stay in this boring place.
If you really want this, I won't stop you. I will respect your decision. Cedric, please come in here. Bring the estate record book. Here is the record book, my lord. Are we really doing this? Yes, Cedric, it is already decided. The papers are signed now. Take good care of yourself, Leo. Please be careful out there.
Don't worry about me, Father. I know exactly what I'm doing. It is time for me to pack. I am leaving today.
Everything is ready for your journey. Are you really going alone? Will you ever come back home? We will all miss you here.
Probably not, Cedric. The big city is waiting for me. Tell my father I said goodbye. It is time to be free.
Goodbye, then. Good luck out there, young master.
Wow, this place is incredible. This is exactly what I wanted.
Welcome to the city, stranger. What can I get for you today?
Bring me your absolute best drink. And you can keep the change.
Right away, my generous lord. You are a very smart man.
Well, hello there, handsome stranger. You look incredibly rich tonight.
I have plenty of gold to share. Please, sit right here with me.
You are way too kind to me. Let's celebrate your arrival properly.
To my brand new life.
Cheers to your new life, my lord.
More wine for the lucky couple. Only the best for you, sir.
This is the perfect life. I absolutely love this city.
You are my favorite person here. Will you buy me another necklace?
Keep the drinks coming, Silas. We are not done partying yet.
Of course, my rich lord. Whatever you want, you get.
You are so much fun, Leo. Dance for me, my lord.
I need a short break. Let me pay for the next round.
Wait a minute. Where is my pouch?
I knew you would lose it.
It is completely empty. I ran out of money. You don't understand, it was an accident.
Are you entirely broke? Just give me some time, Alara.
Just give me some time, Alara. I can definitely get more gold. Wait! Please don't leave me! I thought we were real friends!
All right, kid, it's time to head out. House rules. Way. No tab, no more drinks.
Give me just one more day, Silas.
I promise I will pay you back. Get out of my tavern right now!
Ouch, my head hurts. What am I gonna do? It is so incredibly cold out here. I need a warm place to sleep. I can't take this anymore. Please, can somebody help me? I am so very hungry. Can you spare just one small coin? Anyone at all?
They just ignore me completely. I am totally invisible to them.
Excuse me, sir. Do you need a worker today? I can do absolutely anything. I am a very hard worker.
You look incredibly weak to me. But I do need someone for the pigs.
I will definitely do it, sir. Thank you, I really need this.
Take that heavy bucket right now! Go feed those pigs immediately!
I just need to keep moving. I can do this simple job. Ah! Oh no! I am falling! Somebody please help me! Ouch, my leg really hurts. This is a complete disaster. This is the absolute worst day. I hit rock bottom. Get this garbage off me! I can't take this anymore! Stay away from my food. Leave me alone, please! I ruined my entire life! I have absolutely nothing! I am so tired. I just want to give up. My stomach hurts so much. I am starving to death. I need to stand up. Come on, move your legs. Look at that trough. There is still some food left.
Yes, I found some pieces. This will keep me alive. I have no other choice. I am behaving like an animal.
Look at my terrible hands. My father's servants eat better than this. They have fresh bread every single day. And I am dying of hunger here. I refuse to live like this. I am better than this mud. I will go back to my father. I will admit all my sins to him. It is such a long walk home. My feet hurt constantly. The wind is really freezing. But I cannot stop now. There is some clean water ahead. I need to wash my face. Just a quick break. This will help me feel better. Is that really me? I look like a complete monster. I threw everything away for nothing. My father will barely recognize me.
I have to clean up a bit. I must show him my respect. All right, that is enough resting. It is time to face the truth.
The sun is setting again. Another long day without him. I miss my boy terribly. I pray he is safe somewhere. Wait, what is that over there? Someone is walking on the road.
I have sinned against heaven. And I have sinned against you. It is my son. He finally came back.
None of that matters right now. You are finally here.
My son, I love you so much. Welcome back home. But Father, I don't deserve.
Hush, say no more about it. You were completely lost. But now you are found. We must celebrate immediately. Servants, bring the best robe.
I cannot believe this is real. This feast is entirely for me.
I haven't eaten properly in weeks. Everything smells incredibly delicious.
My hands are still shaking. I am so lucky to be alive.
He gave me his best robe. He didn't even ask a single question.
I will never leave this place again. I am finally home.
That was a very long work day. I just want to rest now. Wait, what is that loud noise? Are they playing music inside? They are throwing a huge party. He actually came back, didn't he?
This is completely unfair. I refuse to go inside.
I will stay right here. Let them celebrate without me. Arthur, please come inside. The feast is ready for everyone. You are always with me, my son. Everything I own is yours.
How can he just forgive him? Is love really that simple?
The door will always stay open. Whenever you are ready to come in. True love always waits. The final choice is yours, my son.
I tell this story not to show the son's downfall, but to show that the father loved him long before he returned home.
Bye-bye.
We'll keep sharing simple and meaningful stories to help you learn English, Bible step by step. Like and subscribe and see you next time.